Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to allow an app through Windows 10 Firewall. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. You can see a small gear above the same Windows icon. Click on it. It opens a Windows Settings tab. Go to Update and Security. Choose Windows Security from the left side menu. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Look for Allow an app through a firewall. Click on Change Settings. Scroll through a list of apps. Check Private and Public option. If the list doesn't have an app, you need to click on Allow another app. Click on Browse and select the app you need. Click on Open and Add. Check Public and Private option. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!